Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account so Bing can save preferences and credits. Open Bing Chat or the image creator. This gives the AI canvas and any available settings. Choose your subject and a basic style immediately, photorealistic, illustration, or abstract, and pick an aspect ratio like 16:9 or 1:1 to frame composition. Once done, you reduce rework and guide the model. Making these choices now speeds the rest of the process and improves the final output. You write a concise prompt that balances detail and flexibility. Include the subject, key adjectives, and a camera or art directive so the AI understands intent. Specify mood, lighting, and dominant colors to control tone. Mention one reference artist or era if needed, but avoid overconstraining. Once you generate, compare results and iterate. Adjust phrasing, swap styles, or tweak aspect ratio, and seed to alter composition. This step is where you refine what's working and steer the model toward your desired visual outcome. You review generated variants and pick the strongest composition, then use upscale or in-app edit tools to increase resolution or tweak details. Export the image in the format and size you need, and verify usage and licensing tags to stay compliant. If the result is off, simplify your prompt and remove conflicting adjectives or clear cookies and try again. Sometimes a fresh session fixes caching issues. Make sure to toggle style or seed settings to reproduce or explore consistent outcomes before finalizing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.